In this lesson, we will be learning our first song, which is called Frere Jacques. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 1, which is down, down, up. Remember, for your benefit, we have written out how many times to strum each chord. For example, if you see a multiply by 2 symbol next to a chord, you strum that chord twice. Or if you see a multiply by 3 symbol, you strum that chord 3 times. When changing chords in a song, it's very important to land on the correct word or syllable. So in order to help you, we have placed the chord name above the correct syllable. We have highlighted the syllable in a different color, and we have also underlined the syllable for you. Let's play the chords of verse 1 slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. The verse begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 This time, we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frère Jacques.